Are you tired of constantly clogging drains? Are you not happy with dealing with complicated and messy hair catchers? Introducing the EcoKatch Hair Catcher. Easy catch, easy clean. The EcoKatch is made of premium durable silicone and has a universal design that fits any standard bathtub around the world. It comes in a variety of colors to suit your style. Other products float and don't catch all the hair, or the hair is visible while you shower. Not to mention hard to clean. Never touch that slimy mess again. Watch how easy it is to remove hair with the EcoKatch. No touching necessary. Easy catch, easy clean. The EcoKatch will catch any type of hair. It's perfect for long or short, thin or thick, and even pet hair. Installation is super easy. Just remove your drain stopper or strainer and set the EcoKatch in place. Never deal with a clogged drain or harsh chemicals again. Let the EcoKatch do the work for you.